In this video, we will be looking at the Egyptian number system. Okay, so this system dates back to about 3000 BC and it was popularized by the Egyptians. Now, the system allowed them to represent numbers from 1 to over a million. And I've been able to draft out the symbols in the table. So we have 1, 10, 100, right up to a million. And these are the symbols that are used to represent these various numbers. Now, one thing to note about this symbol, this system, is that it doesn't have a particular order of representation. So you can start from the end or you can start from the beginning. It does not have an orderly form of representation. Okay, so let's see an example. Write the following numbers in Egyptian numerals. So let's take 45, for instance. Let's say we have 45. We're asked to represent that in the Egyptian number system. So 45, we have 40. Okay, we have 40 tens and we have 5 units. So 40, we have the 10. So we are going to have, we will be writing 4 heel bones, okay, and then 5 strokes. These are the strokes. Now, this is 45 in the Egyptian system. Now, I can decide to write it the other way. I can decide to start by 5, okay, like this, and write my 40 this way. I'll still be correct, okay? That's why I say the Egyptian system does not really have an orderly representation. You can start, I can put my head heel bone in the middle or at the end or wherever I want to. It does not really have an order. What matters most is the individual representation of the symbols. Okay, so let's see other examples. Let's say I have let's say 62. Okay, so representing 62. So 60, we're going to have to write about 6 heel bones. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 strokes. So 2 strokes. So this is 62 in the Egyptian numeral. Let's see another example. Let's say 267. Let's say 267. 267. So 100 in this Egyptian symbol is represented by this. Okay. So I have another 100 to make it 200. And then, okay. So this is 200. Now 60. So I'm going to have my heel bones, about 6 of them. 5. And then 7 strokes. Okay. So this is the way we will represent 267 in the Egyptian system. I hope you get the point. Now, I can also convert from the Egyptian system to the Roman, to the present system we have. So let's say I have, okay, let's switch it off a bit. Let's use the pointed finger. Let's say I have a pointed finger. So I have another one. Okay, pardon my drawing. Okay, and then let's say we have the fish. We have the fish. Let's say we have 2 fishes. Okay. And then, so what will this be in the current system? So this pointed finger is 10,000 plus another 10,000. So that is 20,000. So we have, that will be 10,000. That will be 10,000 plus 10,000. Okay. Plus this fish, the bobot fish, is 100,000. Okay, so 100,000 plus another 100,000. So that will be how many thousand? That will be 200,000. So I have 2 of those. So that's 200,000. Okay, so if I add 10,000 plus 10,000, that's 20,000 plus 200,000. So that will be 220,000. Okay, so this is basically how the Egyptian system works. In our next video, we will be looking at the Roman numeral.